Hello friends, welcome back to Laravel tutorial. We are discussing about some quick tricks on array, right? In this video we are going to discuss about how to find any keys from any array, right? So how we can do this? Suppose we have a data like this. Suppose we have some record, and this is actually a multi-dimensional array. So inside the array we have a student array, and there are some keys inside the class. There are some keys, right? So if you print that things, I am just going to print with the HTML keyword, that is the pre, so that you can understand very better, you can get clear. So just write here print r and the name of the array. Okay, now refresh this. So this is your array. Now I am going to check whether any key already exists into this array or not. So for that we have a function, that is array hash. So simply just check this whether this is exists or not. So I am just going to check the student name exists or not. So how can do this? So simply write array arr hash. So if you want to use this array helper function, simply you need to include these things, illuminate support array. After that you can access this. Okay, and this is my main array. So just provide the main array, that is the record. So simply write $record. Okay, and I am going to find any data like a record. Inside the record we have a student name, right? So simply just write here student dot name. So if this key exists into your application, it will just print the true, otherwise it will return false, means the output will be the boolean type. Okay, so simply just write here exist, or simply write check exist. Okay, and let's use the var. Let's see whether the output is coming. Okay, now just go into the application and just refresh this. So we are getting true. That means student name exists. So if you just write here email, so it should be exist. So still it is true. Now if I just going to add some different things like student role. Okay, now just refresh this. It is getting false. That means student role not exist into this record. So how easily we can find this? Okay, so using hash function we can do this. There are some advanced things. It means if I want to check with a multiple keys. Okay, so we have a student role, we have a student name, email. Okay, so if any of the keys exist, it will return something. Okay, so for that we need to provide as an array. Okay, so simply just pass role. Okay, and let's check whether exist class name also or not. So simply write class name, class dot name. Okay, so we know that class name exists but student role not exist. So for that we will use another function, that is hasAny. So if any of these things are present, it will return true. Okay, if I write here class dot something, means a class dot id. Okay, so inside here class id is not present, also the student role is not present, that time it will return false. Means if any of the keys find, then it will return true. So sometimes we need to check if something is present or not, then we can proceed some logic. This time we can use that type of things. Okay, so this is the hasAny function. It will check with array, means you can pass multiple keys into your the hasAny functions, and using normal hash we can find any particular keys. Okay, so this is cool things. So hope you can understand it. So if this video helps you, please like this and subscribe this channel for upcoming video. We'll come with some more video like this. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye.